Way to find phantom wallet address. Now before we talk about where to find, it's about why to find it. So you might want to find your phantom wallet address to receive cryptocurrencies within Phantom. Now if you want to find a phantom wallet address, also depends upon for which crypto you want to find an address, because if you're trying to receive Bitcoin, you need to find a Bitcoin wallet address. If you're trying to receive Solana, you need to find and copy Solana wallet address. So that's how it works. After you launch the Phantom app, this is the type of interface you will see. At the very top left, you can see an option that says receive. So in this QR code like icon, so just tap on receive. Now you can simply choose the network that you would like to receive other cryptos. So we have Solana, Ethereum, Base, Polygon, Bitcoin, and another Bitcoin for some reason. So you can simply select a certain one that you prefer, and this is basically your Solana wallet address. So you have in a QR code format which other networks can scan and send Solana to you, or you can simply copy those code here at the bottom by tapping the copy icon as well. This is how you can find your phantom wallet address. Similarly, you can repeat the process for other networks as such. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.